morning, YouTube. Good morning, plumbers. As you know, we do everyday plumbing, the good, the bad, and the ugly. And for today's adventure, we have a leak coming down in the heater room. We're not sure if it's a heat line or a water line. So stay tuned and we will see you when we get to the job. We have a leak coming down the wall. And of course, it's coming in the heater room through the ceiling. And we're trying to locate it. We're trying to locate it without ripping down ceilings and opening up walls, but this is a water main going up an old iron pipeline, which could be the culprit. Heat line, I believe. No, domestic hot water here. So I'm going to use my camera to see what we got here. And we got a bathroom upstairs, which we were just in. And there's a back-to-back bathroom on the other side of that vanity. So we got our work cut out for us today. The name of the game is find the leak with the least amount of damage. The Milwaukee camera is going to help us out in this. We're going to drill a hole in this wall. I'm going to use my camera to try and locate this leak. I used this at the sewer job before I put them toilets in, and I got like 3 more pieces of tile out at the movie theater.
Yeah, that's okay.
There's the stud. Oh, right there. Big bright light. Okay, with our camera, which takes a little time getting used to. There's some plaster on the wall. That might be some old
What is that?
knob and tube wiring, maybe. Yeah, so there's no pipes here. So now, this camera just saved me from opening up this wall. See, we just found an old iron pipeline down there. It look wet at all? See, we're in the vanity now. Somebody left us a big hole in there. There's that line. It's right down below there. You look in this direction here. This is nice and technical, but I really like to bust open some walls. But this will save you from busting up walls that don't have pipes in it. Now, I don't see no water. So we're going to go down and see what's that on the wall there. Is that water on the wall there? See that spot there? Dude, that might be water right there. That looks like water to me. Is that lady's kitchen next door?
No, our kitchen. That might be your bathroom vanity. Because both bathrooms are on the same wall.
Does that look wet to you? That looks wet to me. Who's having fun plumbing today on this Monday? Now, what we don't want to do is drill into the pipe, which I don't think. Nope. Nope. Oh, there we go. There's a hole. Oh, we got water coming down too. Let me drill on an angle. Oh, as you see, I got a nice muddy drill bit. Let's see what we can see now. CB2's upstairs cleaning up like a good trooper. Put the drill gun right there. There goes the camera. Is that the heat line right there?
Yeah. Oh, it's looking more over here now.
No, I have a big pipe in here. Is that dripping on top of that? Don't put no sheetrock mud on your camera. Can I clean this up for me? Give me a hammer. There's something going on right here. I'm gonna bust a hole. I can't wait no more. Oh yeah, nice and soft here, Chucky. I think I'm on to something, CB.
Looks like it. Let's see it from here.
Can you?
You see where it's at, or you just see dripping?
Oh, watch that hammer. I'm on an 8-foot ladder. There's my main man, CB2. Alright, we found something dripping. We got all kinds of water up here. Oh, there's our water lines from upstairs. I'm gonna try and get you the shot here. Well, thankfully it's not an iron pipe line. I'm gonna square this hole up with a Sawzall so we can get a good shot. Because it looks like it's a pipe leaking between the floors. Maybe copper pipe rubbing on a piece of concrete and got a hole in it now. Can't see.
Get it right in front of you.
Here, take this hammer, Chuck. You want that? You grab that. That's the one drop nothing on you. Okay. Here goes a piece of sheetrock. Okay. You might want to. Is there a trash can we can drop stuff in? We gotta get the shot now for the folks. I'm not sure yet. What I'll do is I'll use camera from here. Maybe I'll go up that whole wall. It might be coming off of something rubbing on the copper line. Like maybe this copper line is rubbing on that piece of that concrete up there. A lot of times the vibration will cause a leak, so we gotta do a little more investigating. Or it might be a next fitting up. That's what I have to do. I just wanted to show you what I'm trying to do here. I got my camera all the way up next to this pipe. And I believe it's hard to see, but I have an iron pipe line up top. As you can see, this is going to be some serious recon trying to find this leak. And it could be coming down from the 3rd floor, we don't even know. Hey Chucky,
Yeah.
I want you to go upstairs in her bathroom, right? I want you to tap on that cold pipe, because you know what? I think that's the tile.
The one you're just in?
Yeah.
Okay.
And I think that flooring right there. Oh, hold on. What's that pipe? Oh, Chucky, tap the hot pipe. I'm just thinking here. That wood panel right there with that electric wire?
Yeah.
That might be her new flooring. Oh, no, that's plywood. I'm sorry. All right, here's the situation. We're thinking that it is in the bathroom of number 5. Chucky's going to go up and tap on the hot pipe, which I believe this is it. It might be the hot pipe for her vanity and or the back-to-back apartment number. It might be 2. I'm not sure. He's going up there right now to tap the pipe. He's going to try to shoot the camera down too. Are you in there? Yeah. Oh, that's definitely it, man. Can you see the light? Hold on. Wow, okay. And there's no water coming down that wall, huh? So here's what I'm venturing to guess. Hold on one second. From past experience, that green pipe down here, it's all green. I'm thinking there's a pinhole on the corner of that tile that's grinded into that pipe. That's what I'm thinking. Which might go into the other apartment's bathroom. Oh, I just seen that come down.
I can't really see. Can you shut the light off for a sec?
Yes, hold on. Right down with that, Chuck. Half the battles of plumbing are recon. I got water coming down my arm, but CB2 just shot the camera right down here. See, I think that pipe next to the soft coppers is the one that's leaking, but I can't see it from here. Oh, there you are, CB. Say hi. Say hi to the camera, CB. I'm coming up. Bad news, good news. The bad news is we got to rip out her vanity. The good news is we found the leak. But this is going to be a pain in the butt. We got to shut down the whole apartment building, cut that pipe over here on the green that's corroded, and make a clean repair here and upstairs, because I believe we have a pinhole worn into the side of the complex. Stay tuned. Well, this is going to turn into a 2-day job. CB2 had to go to school, and this job is definitely a 2-man job. So tomorrow we're going to knock it out, take out the vanity, locate the exact leak, and repair it. Unfortunately, I couldn't get it done today. Too big a job in the time frame that I had. With that, we will see you in the morning, and we'll pick up doing some demo. Have a good night.